Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our graphic design course. Today, in chapter 2, we are going to create a beautiful wedding invitation card front page in Canva. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. If you want to make a beautiful wedding card like this for free, make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's start designing. If you watched chapter 1, you already know where we need to click first. Yes, we will click on templates because we want to create an invitation card. Now we will select invitation. As you can see, many ready-made invitation templates are available here, but we want to create and customize the card by ourselves. So we will choose a blank template and start designing from scratch. Now our blank template is ready. We will create our wedding invitation card on this page step by step. To create any card, the first step is choosing a background. For that, we will go to the element section and search for background in the search bar. As you can see, there are many backgrounds option available. Make sure you do not choose any design with a crown icon because those are not free. I like this background. Yes, this one we will choose. So I am going to use it for our wedding invitation card. We will set this background on our page. Now let's go back to search bar and search for wedding arch. As you can see, there are many beautiful designs available. Scroll down. I like this one. So I am going to select it and rotate it to fit our design. Just rotate it. Okay. Now I think it's perfect. No. Okay. Little bit right side. Okay. I think now it's perfect. Little bit. We have to arrange it. Okay. Done. Now let's search for Muslim couple in the search bar. There are many graphic images available here. I like this one. There are many graphic pictures here. But I like this one. So I will select it and place it on our design. Okay, perfect. Now it's time to add the text. We will choose this style and edit it. With the name we want to use on our wedding invitation card. So I'm going to write here Fatima and Ali. Yeah, Fatima and edit it. Okay, but the text looks a little too close together. To make it look better, we will use the option available at the top. We will click on the text setting. The letter spacing look fine, so we will leave it as it is, but we will adjust the line spacing to give the text a cleaner and more professional look. Let's adjust everything properly. But our card still looks a little simple. The missing part is the border. So we will go back to the element section and search for flower border. Just type border. Here is a flower border. Just click it. As you can see, there are many beautiful flowers border available, and it can be a little confusing to choose one. After looking through several options, I like uh, this design. I like this flower design the most. Now I will use it as a border by copying and pasting it. Then placing the copies along one side of the card to create beautiful floral border. Just copy it and paste it. So here our card is completed. So this is our front page of our card, and that's it. Our wedding invitation card front page is ready. This is fully editable card, so if you would like to use this design, feel free to send me a message in the comment section. Don't forget to stay connected with our channel for the next part of this tutorial. See you in the next chapter.